Thokozani bantwana bethongo, thokozani bantwana bedlozi. Igama lami Mkhulu Sanele. Ngilikhehla lomfazi ngangena ikhehla. Bengithi ngilazise ukuthi being spiritually gifted is amazing. Embrace it. It's something that's not very common. Love it. I love my gift. I thank God. I thank Amadlozan for what I have. You know what I'm saying? So, at first, it was hard for me to accept this gift because of the way I was raised. I'm not blaming anyone, or I'm not saying I was raised bad, but I was raised in the Seventh-day Adventist church, so I believed with Amadlozi, Ngamadimoni, I mustn't entertain Ngamadimoni, until God is amazing, Bantwana Betong. Idlozi, Utiko, they're amazing. When I was growing up, I used to be sick and I would sleepwalk and I would see things while sleeping. I would dream, I would have visions, but I never took that serious. I never thought it was a gift. I was just like, it's just dreaming. Anyway, if it happens, it happens. I never knew that God was communicating with me. I never knew that my ancestors were telling me you should help this person or that person. So I would see things that would happen to a person. I would see the future. And not knowing that I'm being told to help. So, my grandmother from my mother's side was a prayer warrior. She was from Zion. She loved the church. The church, they said kind of like in a yard. That's where the church was. So when we visited her, I'll enjoy the drums. I used to love it, but I never knew that it's Tunya Sami, you know. So, as I grew up, I got sick. There was a time when I was very sick. I didn't understand what was going on with me, but God was saying to me, it's time for you to work. It was a work of God. I suffered from anxiety. I went to the doctors. It affected me to a point whereby I had ulcers. So I was suffering from anxiety. I had terrible ulcers. I would go to the doctors and they get mental illness pills. And I was like, what's going on? My mom was very worried about it. It didn't make sense to me until I decided to consult. I went to the Zion